So hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about what is UI extents in ServiceNow. So guys, in ServiceNow a UI extents user interface extension is a configurable element that adds buttons, links and or context menus options to the form and lists. Roles required for UI extents admin. So guys, UI extents can be used to add a button on a form, add a context menu item on a form, add a related list on a form, add a button on the banner of the top of the form or a button on the form. So guys, where we can configure UI actions, here you can see or go to all navigations and the filter section. You can search UI action under system definition. You can see UI action. You just click on UI action. Here you can see you can go to UI action. So guys, we have to do a scenario based example to share you. So create a button on the top of the form and set a alert message. So guys, here you can see UI action. You just click on new and here you can see the UI actions form, and I can show you have no, you can go to the incident, and also you can open UI action directly from incident form page. Here you can see you can go to the configure, right click configure, and you can see UI actions. You click on UI actions and here you can see you directly go to the UI actions page, and here you can see the table is automatically selected to incident table. Also, or other options, here we have to select the table. So we have to do the scenario. You can see create a button on the top of a form and set a alert message. So we have to click on the form button. So we have to create a button. So we have to name the button subscribe. So guys, and this is, we have to select the client. Okay, it is running on the client, nothing to do with the server. Okay, and here you can see on click, you just name the on click, like here I'm just giving tech savvy stuff, and this is the script section. You have to we have to set an alert message. So guys, we set the function, and here we calling the function tech savvy stuff, and here we can set the alert message. Okay, and here you can see alert, and we have to write the message which we want to show on the alert message. So guys, thanks for subscribe to uh, me. Okay, thanks to subscribe to me, my channel. Okay, so guys, this is the message we want to put, and after writing message and setting this UI action button, we have to save this UI action. So guys, after saving this, you can see we have to check this UI action is working or not. We have to go to the incident page and click on create new, and here you can see the subscribe button is showing. When we click the subscribe button, here you can see the pop-up message is showing thanks for subscribing to my channel. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel.